Many gardeners are puzzled when their plants stop thriving, even after adding more fertilizer. The real issue often isn't a lack of nutrients, but lifeless, compacted soil. Years of chemical use and leaving soil bare can destroy the vital community of microbes plants depend on. Without these microbes, plants can't access nutrients no matter how much you add. Fertilizer just sits unused and sometimes even harms roots further. The key is to stop focusing on feeding plants and start feeding the soil. Healthy soil is a living ecosystem, not just dirt. When the soil's life is dormant, the whole garden suffers. But the good news? You can revive your soil and see dramatic results, sometimes almost overnight. It's all about bringing life back to the earth beneath your feet. Let's see how. The soil battery is a living liquid packed with billions of beneficial microbes. Unlike compost tea, it's a highly oxygenated brew that jumpstarts soil life instantly. By bubbling air through compost and molasses, you breed the good aerobic microbes that build healthy soil and fight disease. This living elixir coats roots and soil, reawakening natural cycles. It's a self-sustaining system, one that big agriculture ignored in favor of selling chemicals. But gardeners are rediscovering that the real secret to a thriving garden is a bubbling bucket of life, not a bottle of synthetic fertilizer. Here's how you can make it. Making your own soil battery is simple. You'll need a 5-gallon bucket, an aquarium air pump with air stones, finished compost or worm castings, and unsulfured molasses. Fill the bucket with 4 gallons of dechlorinated water. Drop in the air stones and turn on the pump. Place 2 cups of compost or worm castings in a mesh bag or old sock and submerge it in the bubbling water. Add 1 tablespoon of molasses to feed the microbes. Let it bubble for 24 to 36 hours. The liquid should turn earthy brown and smell sweet. This means it's ready. Use it right away while the microbes are still active. If it sits too long without air, the good microbes die off. Pour the fresh soil battery directly onto the soil around your plants using a watering can without a sprinkler head. This delivers the microbes right to the root zone, where they get to work immediately. They break down nutrients, improve soil structure, and help roots breathe. Apply every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, or weekly for very poor soil. Mulch with wood chips or straw to protect the soil and feed your new microbial workforce. This simple routine transforms your garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem. You'll notice healthier plants and richer soil in no time. The real magic happens underground, long before you see it above. Keep feeding the soil, and the plants will thrive. Avoid chemical pesticides and fungicides. They kill the very microbes you're trying to nurture. Always use dechlorinated water and brew for no more than 36 hours to keep your soil battery healthy. Trust your senses. A good brew smells earthy, not sour. Focusing on soil life simplifies gardening and leads to stronger, more resilient plants. Living soil produces tastier, more nutritious food and needs fewer inputs over time. Remember, you're not just growing plants. You're cultivating a living ecosystem. By charging your soil battery, you unlock effortless growth and abundance. Let nature do the heavy lifting, and your garden will reward you.